I remember the first time Pieces and Stonelove. This was like 92, I think. Pieces of Stonelove play, and this was hyped up so much because Billy Slaughter was brand new as the man pan Stonelove, like the new apprentice, and Froggy was the new apprentice and Pieces son. So the media in Montego Bay at the time where the dance kept, them hype it up. So it was like Froggy versus Billy Slaughter, like Stonelove apprentice, made Pieces apprentice, and that was the first time actually coming at the newspaper. So you know, but I remember them time I about 15, you know, so you know me I go to school and the paper, and it's like a child star thing, so you know, muscle at me okay 5. Little youngins them at school, I'm a little young girl, I'm a little red, them love me like I cook food. I remember them don't know me at the star, them know me coming at the paper. And me them advertise and my face up on the flyers. I wanna deal with my hat.
Yeah.
So you know, boom reach at the dance down muscle. Pieces play 1 round. By the time Pieces play the second round, Pieces out broke down. Muscle the sound broke down power with that. I'm going to tell you them time that the boss spent so much money on cut dub because Pieces was a sound that focused mainly on dub plate. We never really care about the sound until later on. You know what I mean? Pieces was a party sound, you know. So our sound was good enough for Moby, good enough for the little parties, them, the peer ones and the rest. But when you put up our sound against the Stonelove and the Metro Medias and the Inner City and the rest, we sound like a jump and sound them time like that. We sound like a big radio against some big sound. But we never care. You know what I mean? So when we broke down against Stonelove, what happened is Billy Slaughter, swear to you, Billy Slaughter say, you know, Billy Slaughter play and I lock the place and the middle of the man lock in the place. This was supposed to be like an embarrassment. You know, the man stop the music. Big up yourself, Slaughter, anyway, because you're my brother until today.
Yeah.
Boy, Pieces, you know, you go, people, you know, you go, a machine, and you know, a man-made, and anything can happen, and you know, we're no bad man. Pieces can't no song them come play on Stonelove sound.
Okay.
And the worst thing a man could ever. You know, we spend so much money on a song. You know, Pieces have the enough song them in the world, if you ask me that time, and don't have a good sound. And then here comes Billy Slaughter said to me, and Corey. Yo, Corey, come play a song, come bring on a song, come over Stonelove sound. So you know, me take Stonelove microphone now, me never, at the time, at the first me attack when a microphone a sound so good enough. So you know, me go, check, yo, feel all my shirt sleeve shake. And I said, no, them dead now.
Yes.
Them time that thing they just released Informer, you know, then you know them time there. And that was like the hot new hip-hop pop song. Pieces of it pan dub and nobody don't know. So you know, we dropped the dub, you know. Muscle, we dropped the Informer dub, you know, and that dub plate or Pieces of it a panhead and snow in a combination, you know.
Okay.
So you know when snow drop, yo, the whole place. I can imagine Billy Slaughter probably nearly losing work than that. It's just like you invite someone who just loaded by your sound. Yeah, and nothing good, man. But we only get to play 1 round, which was good enough for me. That was like my first memorable time, you know what I mean? And we'll eat more, we had Jaros, we had Matarans, we had Scringes.
And this was in Montego Bay, this dance camp?
Yes, Walter Fletcher Beach to be exact.
Okay. Did you ever meet Stonelove back in Kingston, or it was only in Montego Bay?
No, here we go. We had Stonelove play enough time, all about cross Jamaica. Listen, Pieces sound was not like a community sound, you know. Pieces sound was like a really big sound in terms of name and popularity, you know. At one point, Pieces was being nominated Sound of the Year. I know Stonelove always a key. You know, when you don't feel like you're in the game at a time where Michael Jordan a play, so you can't win the ring. Because every time Jordan just a win the ring. I one of them things that with Pieces sound, you know. It's just like we came in our time when Stonelove had the handle on the business, and you only can go as far up as number 2. You really can't go to the number 1 spot. So you're always second and third. Stonelove Metro Pieces, Stonelove Pieces, like right there. So when you touch anywhere past the countryside, a Pieces sound, man, as a juggling, and we kind of emulate Stonelove pattern and the as we enter and the as we move. And so, Them time the man them say Froggy sound just like Rory, you know.
Yeah.
Because Rory was like God to me, you know.
You know
Rory was like my God Almighty, you know. Remember before me even know the man, you know, me idolize him, I well want to see him, I want to see the man. The man was sound like a angel in a music to me. So everything if him say cha 2 days later me that have that lock. Anything what Rory say me say it.
Yeah.
You don't know. Maybe me I just one of the one who say it freely and know that Rory was an idol. I remember the first time I see him, all the aura around Rory, I see like when you like a man that see God. I saw me see Rory the first time. The light and the
He was glowing.
Glow around Rory, me see. The little short man with the pretty hair. And I say, which man this? And the man I say, as we enter inside and as we, and the man I say something, man say, yo, me stand up right in front of Stonelove so and I was taking every single word on the man say, man. Because I say, yo, no selector like Rory. So you know, by the time I reach pieces sound with dub plate, enough dub like how Stonelove have enough dub. And then by this thing was Stonelove have the little synthesizer where you know, pieces are like the mobile version of what Stonelove is. You know what I mean? And then me sound exactly like Rory. So I tell you, say, I hear as when turn say, well, I tell him, I'll pitbull, because when the man do anything what they do on Stonelove, do run over sound. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay. Did you ever actually get to play with Rory?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Get for jog amongst him and meet him, man. You know what I mean? I can tell you, when I met him, he was definitely an asshole. I can tell you that. It's just like you meet a hero and you find out, say, you know,
never meet them, man. Never meet them.
Yeah, it's like I meet him. I mean, I tell you, so when Stonelove plays so much time, and him a play Stonelove and me I play pieces, and me not chat to him because you know we want to keep it at level like me I play alongside my idol. Feel good. I go New York City, me and the man meet back in the 90s. Pieces Stonelove play in New York and we go to the radio station. This was like my first time me and him go be in like one space where close space where we shoulder to shoulder with the radio station.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, so the man was like a real asshole in the radio station. You can ask him, he probably was like that back in the day, but I still my hero.
Yeah.
No matter how him be. Because you don't know, at the time we are competitors, so you don't expect him to show you that mentor kind of vibe. You know what I mean? He's, but I'm a dance still, not music.
You know how it goes.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.